I'm going to take a wild guess and say that you found yourself here because you want to learn Dubsado. Yes, you found yourself in the right place. Hi, my name is Rae and I run Productive Co. I help service-based business owners unleash the power of automation in their business through a client management tool called Dubsado. If you want to have an awesome client management system for your business, you should hit that subscribe button right this second, and then hit the bell icon to get notifications when new videos go live. On this channel, I talk about all things Dubsado: proposals, invoices, workflows, tags, task boards, and more. But I don't just talk about the technical stuff. I talk about strategy and how to come up with creative solutions that work for your business as well. I also talk about making your client management system work with the other tools in your business that you already are using. Because the key isn't having just one system that works in your business, but having your business work for you as a whole. All you have to do now is browse this channel for the video tutorial you're looking for. I've created several playlists to help you find videos related to what you do search for. And if you want even more information, you can always head over to my website called productiveco.com. Once again, thanks for stopping by my corner of the internet today. My name is Rae, and I'll see you around.